What's up, everyone? Welcome back to FMS Auto Performance. Today we've got a special treat for all you Subaru WRX STI owners out there. The Verus Engineering Bell Housing cover. It ensures sockets and large debris stay out of the bell housing area. Verus Engineering Bell Housing cover is made out of 50R52 aluminum construction CNC laser cut, CNC press brake bent, and powder coated black for durability. The OEM bell housing cover is produced from soft rubber. When heated, either by a track outing, hot climate, or forced induction, this cover often loosens to the point it can fall out of its location. Installation. Remove the soft rubber OEM bell housing cover. Tools needed: ratchet and a 12mm socket. Using a ratchet with a 12mm socket, unscrew the two bolts and put them to the side. Now install the Verus Engineering Bell housing cover. Place the cover on top and screw the two bolts down by hand. Verus Engineering developed this cover to ensure sockets and large debris stay out of the bell housing area if the rubber cover is lost already, or as preventative maintenance to replace the OEM rubber unit. Next, grab a ratchet with a 12mm socket, tighten down the two bolts with about 15 foot-pounds of torque. And there you have it. If you enjoyed this review and installation guide, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your Subaru buddies, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, keep modding and enjoying your ride.